Here's a quick video to show you how to screen record on your Apple iPhone. It's really easy to do. Your first step is to get to your control center. On some models, you'll swipe up from the bottom. On newer models, you're going to swipe down from the top right of your device, and that's going to bring up your control center. The next step is to add the screen record button to the control center. To do so, you're going to click the plus sign on the top left side of your screen. Once you've done that, at the bottom center, you'll see Add a Control. Click that. Now it's time to add the control. Right in the middle of your screen, you'll see a circle with a dot in the middle of it. It says Screen Recording below it. You'll click on that, and that's going to add it to your control. Next, you're just going to click the Screen Record button. It will count you down from 3, and then your phone will be screen recording. To stop the recording, you'll simply click the red banner at the top of your screen, and then click Stop Recording. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, give it a thumbs up.